How to install Linux on Windows. For this, you first have to be sure that the Windows Subsystem for Linux is enabled from the control panel. Then go to the Microsoft App Store and search for Ubuntu. Then click on any of the versions you want to install and click on Get. The Ubuntu will get installed. After it is installed, search for it in the Start menu. Click on the Ubuntu installation and it will ask for the username and password. Give any username and type in the password. Keep one thing in mind, that when you type in the password, nothing will appear on the prompt, not even asterisk. So be sure to type in the password carefully. After you enter the password, it will take some time and Ubuntu will get installed.